First aid kits, right? They're an important part of traveling, from bumps and bruises to more serious ailments, right? First aid kits are something you probably shouldn't leave off your packing list. Now, some of this might seem strange if you have little or no formal first aid training, but this is what I'll be carrying while I adventure for 7 months. So this is my first aid kit. It's split into two parts, one part to keep in my main bag and the other to carry around in my day bag. Many of these components will seem strange to some people. My main kit is more for standard first aid, right? Minor needs, bumps and bruises, band-aids, polysporin, stuff like that. Whereas my daily carry here is more for serious emergency care. So this is my everyday sort of mini kit. On the outside of the small bag here is the cat tourniquet. This is a great tool to use to stop major bleeding, right? In case of a serious accident, this is a strong last resort option to stop life-threatening bleeds. Inside the bag, open it up here. Inside the bag here is, we do have some band-aids, right? In case for your sort of everyday little boo-boos there. But we do have a set of gloves, a 4-inch tensor bandage, and then here I have a 4-inch Israeli bandage. I learned to use and carried this in the military. As well, I have a reference card here on this side. It's a CPR reference card, and then on this side is a bleed control reference card. So let's show you what I keep in my main bag. Okay, so now this kit I'll keep inside my main bag. It's just in a medium Ziploc, and inside I have a triangle bandage, some water purification tablets. Of course, I'll have more band-aids here, alcohol swabs, and polysporin, right, for treating your little bumps and bruises. But a big thing that I have here is I have just a pile of moleskin. So moleskin is great for any blisters you get or whatever. You just throw it on. It covers over like a band-aid. And you wouldn't even know that you ever had a blister. The stuff is magic. And then lastly, but not shown, carried in this kit and in my wallet is a sort of personal identification card, like a emergency contact card. So that'll have like my name, my blood type, who I am, where I'm from, and somebody to call back home, right? And I don't know if I'm going to put this in my ablutions bag or my toiletries bag, but I do also plan on bringing some prescription medication, right? So for me, that's malaria pills and things like a general antibiotic, in case my guts try to fight me after I eat street food. Anyways, so that's it. That's my first aid kit. You know, I have the everyday carry, right? That's for more emergency, I need right now kind of stuff. And then I have my little kit that I'm going to keep in my bag. Things like getting blisters, putting on a new band-aid kind of stuff, that I'll keep in my main bag. So that's it. I'm excited. Hopefully I never have to use any of it, and it's all for nothing. So thanks for watching, and like the video if you are so inclined. Thanks.